Hey everybody, it's Neil, and let's check out this. This is a bento box. It's a, what is this one here? It holds 2/3 cup, 1 cup, 2/3 cup, 2 3/4 cup sections. So let's see how this kind of looks like in real life once we open it up. See if we can get this open here and check it out. Maybe. If I could cut it open. There we go. Okay. There we go. This is what it looks like. Box empty. So this is how it looks in real life. You can kind of see it's got a little section up here for your little fork and spoon. How cute is that? And it just kind of closes back up in there, so you have that. And then you got these sections that open here to open up the big section, right? And it's got the little tab pull there, so you can get it there to break the seal, because it's got a rubber gasket on the inside. And then look at this inside here. We have comes with a bunch of cupcake papers, which is kind of cool. A little mini jar, a little mini container. I guess it's where you could put like dipping sauce or something like that if you wanted to have some stuff like that. And a bunch of little forky looking things just to kind of put in there to make it look cute. But this is what the sections look like. It's pretty decent size, you can see. Put a good sized sandwich and stuff and some fruit and whatnot in there. So kind of cool. Nice little bento box set. I like it. So cool. I like it. Thumbs up for me on this. This is what it all looks like here. And this here, it's on the go with bento box. So thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.